Hi crafters, Amy here, and I have a couple simple cards to share with you today. I'm going to jump right in with the products. I have this We Are Memory Keepers embossing folder. I have a panel of lightweight gray color cardstock that I cut down from A2 size with these wonky stitched rectangle dies from My Favorite Things. I'm just spritzing this lightweight cardstock with some water and running it through my embossing machine. Now this gorgeous 3D embossing folder leaves so much texture, and that's going to kind of set the stage. I'm also going to be using this beautiful big Hello die from Pink Fresh. It does give you the shadow as well as the inner word portion, and I'm going to use that on both cards today here. Just kind of laying it out on the card itself just to make sure it's the right size. And I have this previously painted panel. I was playing with my new liquid watercolors, and this is some Arteza watercolor paper, but I'm going to use both the inner portion and the outer portion to make these cards. Now these, I feel like I channeled my inner Kathy Zielski to create these. There's something about them that just, I don't know if it's cards that I had seen her make, but I feel like she inspired this. So thank you, Kathy Zielski, for your awesome inspiration. But I'm just gonna kind of temporarily tack these down. I'm going to do both on this colored panel, and then I'm going to do two as well on some white cardstock. This is the same 110-pound Neenah Classic Crest Solar White, and I'm just going to kind of alternate it. So on the colored shadow, then I'll have a white word, and vice versa on the other one. So this will kind of create the main sentiment for both of my cards today. Just going to pop them out and liquid glue them with some Barely Art glue, I think is what it's called. I just got it for Christmas. I'm still getting used to it, but I just glued those pieces together, and I created another embossed panel with an Altenew mod squares. So they're a little bit different, but still, you know, go together nicely. And I have some simple strips from Taylored Expressions. These are white heat embossed on black cardstock, and I do store these in these adorable little storage boxes. You can also buy those from Taylored Expressions. So it's one big stamp, and then you die cut it all out, and then you can purchase those storage boxes as well, just to kind of hold them all in and have them ready when you're making some cards. So I picked some for the front of the card to go underneath the hello as a sub-sentiment, and then one for the inside, and I'm using these little thin foam strips. These are very comparable to the Doris ones that you may have seen in other videos, but these are from Amazon, and they're a little bit lower profile, so they don't sit up quite as high, but they're very comparable, and the price point is awesome. I think you get like 500 or something. So I will link those in the video description box below, as well as all the other items that I used. And if you follow those links, I may make a small commission at no additional charge to you, so I appreciate it when you use my links. It really helps me keep my channel going. So here's the finished cards. I just glued everything down basically and added some blingage, but overall a very simple design. But I love the pops of color from the beautiful rich liquid watercolor. So if you enjoyed these cards today, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you enjoyed it and found some inspiration here, and drop me a line in the comments. Say hi. I'd love to hear from you. So have a great day. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.